Today we are going to start discussing module 3 matrices. Although the matrix is familiar to everyone, its relevance cannot be overstated. So let's start with an elementary application of the matrices. The problem I might think of is one of price discovery. Say I go shopping on 2 occasions and I buy apples and bananas. First time I buy 2 kilograms of apples and 3 kilograms of bananas and they cost rupees 700. Second time I buy say 1 kilogram of apples and 2 kilograms of bananas and cost is 400. Here the A's and B's are prices of 1 kilogram of apples and that of bananas. In order to discover the prices of 1 kilogram of apple and 1 kilogram of banana, we need to translate the simultaneous equations to the form where we expect this AB changes to, or AB is related to 700 and 400 by setting this 2 3. This is for the first occasion and 1 2 for the second occasion. Thus the rectangular arrangement of these numbers are called matrices. On the other way, if you want to solve the simultaneous equations, the coefficients are to be equated. It is quite difficult to do so if there are a number of equations and unknowns. In these situations, matrices help us to solve these linear equations. I would say this is a great motivation to study matrices. You might have studied the elementary properties of matrices in your +2 classes itself. In this module, we recollect all those properties of matrices with some insight to its theoretical aspects. Today we discuss section 3.17 from the book of N.P. Bali, module 3 matrices. In this section we discuss transpose of a matrix. You might have studied this in your +2 classes. Let A be a matrix. We can look into the definition of the transpose of a matrix. Let A be a matrix. Then the matrix obtained by changing the rows into columns and changing the columns into rows is called the transpose of the matrix A. Remark. We denote a transpose of a matrix by A transpose or A prime. For example, A is equal to the matrix 1 2 3 4 5 6 is a 2 by 3 matrix. Then its transpose is 1 2 3 4 5 6. It is always 3 by 2 matrix. Another remark: if the order of A is m by n, then the order of its transpose, A transpose, is n by m. And we have another remark: ijth entry of the matrix A is the jith entry of matrix A transpose, and vice versa. Ijth entry of A transpose is same as jith entry of the matrix A. And we can denote this situation in symbols. Let A be the matrix denoted by Aij, and A transpose is denoted by Bij. Then we can relate the ijth entries of A and A transpose by Aj is equal to Bij.